When? Oh my. A little less of an angle than I give you.
Yeah, she caught a little gust too.
She's got a little bit of speed.
Yeah.
You should have put the guns on her.
Yeah, probably you're right for throwing, I guess.
Ah, fuck you, Dean Turn at the Warbirds over Atlantic. We don't edit that out. Okay, you, Dean. Is that better? I know what you're talking about. I didn't see a right-hand turn.
All right, how about a low speed?
I was just going to say, I haven't seen you bring that thing under 100 feet. Okay, I got a challenge for you. I haven't seen any spectacular crashes. Nice. Not bad for a bomber.
Here she comes.
I wish. Nice ride. Oh, nice way to ride her out. Beauty. You rode that out perfect. There you go.